Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna show you a quick video because I looked for one on YouTube. I could not find one on how to put this this bug and stone protector or deflector, whatever you want to call it. Hold on, let me show you the piece I had to take out. It's in the trunk. We have to take this piece out. Okay, here's how it goes. Okay, it comes with 4 screws. Put the screws right here. I already got a few already on. You got to put it on mounted. Before you put this on, you have to. You're not going to be able to find the holes because this rubber piece is stuck on here with these little clips. These are plastic little clips. All you have to do is pull them out carefully one by one. If you have the intentions of probably putting it in the back one day, but I'm not, so I'm gonna put them in the trunk, and then from there I'm gonna show you what you do next. This is for a Jetta TSI. Okay, so Volkswagen Jetta TSI. Because I looked and I could not find one. Anyway, once you match this up with whatever screw it matches up, that's where you're going to put the screw. When you find the hole, it's going to be a little hard. So here, hold this. Once you find the hole that matches to the corresponding lip, meaning this is the lip, you got to force it in a little bit because it hits the screw. It's a little harder than, this one's a little fatter than the hole. Hold on, I'm going this way. I think I gotta put that first. It doesn't matter which order, but I think I already made this hole, that's what it is. See? You gotta push it and turn. Back up a little bit. You gotta push it and turn. See, once it's there, just don't over tighten it. I already got this one. It has 4 screws. Don't forget the washers. It comes all in the kit. Okay? And again, I want to repeat, it's very important that before you put this plastic piece, you peel out some of the red tape. So when you set this up, you just pull out the red tape, and glue this to this. And it also has these little round little rubber balls that go here. I didn't put them yet because I don't really think I need them. But the little balls that go there, so that this doesn't keep banging on the car. Okay? So now, here we go to put the last screw. This is a tough one because it's fatter. The screw is fatter than the hole, but it goes there. So you just gotta put a little puppy power into it. Okay, once you get puppy power, it starts going in tight, but that's where it goes. You're making the threads with the screw at the same time. And all you basically need is a Phillips screwdriver, and the alcohol pads. Clean this area with alcohol pads underneath here before you stick the tape. Same thing over here. Before you put the tape is under here. Pull out a little piece so you can get it out. And you have to clean this area with alcohol before you put the tape so it won't stick. Okay, so with that is the finished product. Check it out. It's by WeatherTech. Yeah, I know. I gotta clean it. These birds do a number on my car every day. I wash it, boom. That's why I gotta put the plastic. The wifey's helping me over there. Peace. One last thing, guys, don't forget, wear your mask. It's 2020, this is July. We're still going through this. And the only way to stop this is to do this together. Wear your mask, be responsible. I know it's a pain in the ass, but we gotta do what we gotta do to end this damn virus. This way we can go back to some type of normalcy. Okay, with that being said, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.